25 plus 12, 37, plus 9, 46. Bring it up half a mil. .42. So that's faced off to length. Now we cut the grooves. With the narrow parting off tool. Make sure it's square. We line this up, the first line. Okay, so this is 20 millimeters. We've got to go in down to 12, which is 3 meters off each side. This slide currently reads exactly 0 on a touch. So if I go around once, 2.5 and another half, that will have gone in 3 mil. Then I'll be able to check. Okay, that's 2.5. That is 3. And now we'll measure it. Exactly the same again, this time line up the outside of the slot. So, for those of you paying attention, you will know that 20 minus 6 doesn't take us down to 12. And funnily enough, I'm saying 14.1. $12.1. What's my tolerance? Plus or minus 0.15. So that will do. Now we turn it around for the other groove and turning the point. So 0.4, so that's 1 mil, 1.5, 2 mil, half, 1. Okay, bit of so now we've got to set the compound slide. So with a 3/16 Allen key, loosen that. Before we do that, let's set back to the right cutting tool. So, square that up nicely. Now, as you can see, this turns freely. So, for a 99-degree angle, we want 49 degrees set here. Now I know it goes, yeah, and there's 49. That's it. So hand on the main wheel. Now I'm holding the longitudinal feed wheel. Okay. So longitudinal wheel until you get a touch, then start to wind the compound slide. Okay, this is quite a big cut, which is not bad when you're roughing out, but it's not very good for a finish. And all that swarf, very sharp, be very, very careful. Okay, flick it off, it's likely to be hot. Feel free to use a steel rule. Bit of cold weld on the tool, so we'll do a good job of scraping that off, because if aluminium is on the tool, then the tool won't cut. Right, so as you can see, we're getting very close to finishing. So put the tool just on a little bit of about a third of the remaining. In you go to get a touch. Okay, and what I would like to go back just for one more finishing cut. Just a tiny little cut. Again, get rid of those flecks of aluminium. All interfering with the cut and therefore the finish. Right, so this is going to be a tiny cut, and we're not even going to start at the very tip. There's a touch and a very fine finishing cut using 2 hands on the slide. Keep it moving, keep it turning. All the way off the end. Okay, so now find the high spot, tiny mark, with the drill touching the job. We have here a number, and the number, we've got a touch at 57. We want to go down 13, so we drill this until this scale here reads 44. So we've piloted that with a 4mm drill. We're now going to go with a 7, then 8.5 as the tapping drill. Now, drill an 8.5mm hole. We could probably slow the drill down a bit. I don't want you doing this, I want you to ask, and we'll do it for you. So I'm not showing you how we're doing it. Again, you've got to do a touch. Okay. So we're touching here at 51. Only one more thing remaining. Tap that hole. So, get some soft jaws. So we don't mark the hammerhead, nice and vertical, blow out any swarf you can see. Right, get the most tapered of these taps, which is clearly that one. Put the tap in the tap wrench square, only the square bit engaging. A bit like tapping, a little bit of downward pressure and turn. Keep it as upright as you can. And back half a turn. Now this tap will bottom out quite quickly. Okay, no, still going. Okay, that's bottomed out now. So take that out. And the least tapered is called the plug. This is the plug. Again, square end only in. And it will follow the thread you've already cut. But when it gets down to the bottom, it will cut the bit of thread that the taper couldn't. Probably only a couple of turns, but it's worth it.